Hello everyone, it's Chris Kalinich here with Plant to Platter. Welcome to my day. I'm glad you've joined me. I am here actually doing another plant-based meal delivery service review, and Splendid Spoon reached out to me and asked if I would review some of their products, and I said sure, send them my way. So as promised yesterday, I received a box. FedEx pulled up to my driveway about 5 p.m. and delivered the box of goodies. Now, I didn't have time last night to open it, as well as I wanted to see if when I opened it this morning after my run, can you tell I'm really dolled up for this review, but I don't like to not be real. So this is me after a run. I did put a little headband in, but I wanted to see how the products were packaged and if it stayed cool, because this plant-based meal delivery service provides you with items that are already fully prepared. So here's my experience. Let's get to it. So it is in a rather large box, and they have some cute little things on the box. And let me see if I can just show it to you here. Let us cook for you is on one side. Note to future self, never meal prep again, things like that. So I think it's cute, the outside, some of the little sayings they have here. And sorry, I hope I didn't make anyone nauseous by spinning the camera around. I'm not super good at that yet. Anyway, they use a Climacell packaging. It's assuming, I'll have to research, but I assume it's recyclable. And then this is just a peek inside. There looks like there's some cardboard laying on top, I assume to kind of protect the packaging of the goodies, but it's not really up to the surface here, so I'm gonna see. It's nice that they're not using a lot of packaging. I don't like to see stuff really packed full, so I think they're trying to be kind of environmentally conscious. But let's see what we got going on here. We have coconut curry brown rice. That sounds yummy. Cauliflower tikka. Let me move this way so I'm not all hunched over the box. Vegetable bolognese. Ooh, that sounds yummy. Things are cold. They could be a little colder, I would say. I don't know where they're located. That's something I'm gonna have to look up. Where is this coming to, or coming from? Beans and green soup. And vegan meatballs and marinara. So I would say that if I had opened it up last night, I bet it would have been like completely all good and chilled. It's still chilled, but it'd been nice if it had been super cold for me. Splendid Spoon, they have lots of smoothies. And you know, if smoothies are made for me, I love them. I personally, I like to chew my food, so I'm really looking forward to some of these like meal items to make my life easier, because it's pretty hectic right now with lots of projects going on. But I'll just read you, and I'll do a full review on some of these items, but just to showcase this dragon fruit berry smoothie, has pineapple juice, dragon fruit, raspberries, avocado, pea protein, chia seeds, vanilla powder, and Himalayan salt. That sounds pretty yummy. So I have several smoothies. 1, 2, 3, 5 smoothies. And then what are these? Recovery shot. After my run, I might need this. It has watermelon juice, cherry juice, beet juice, lemon juice, ginger juice. That sounds fascinating. I'm not much of a shot girl, but maybe I will be after this. So anyway, just a quick reveal on how the packaging came to me. And sorry, I'm just like all sloppy, but it's being real. I want to be really honest with you on this review and just in everyday life in the Plant to Platter kitchen. So stay tuned to hear more about what I think of the actual taste, which is all important, of the products. Talk to you later.